I got in lava. You see, when it does that, so next one is this one. This one is really easy. You just go. Okay, not that one. You do this. And the next one is you roll it. Oh, so close. Okay. Now next one is this one. Now this one is fun. Oh, I got to 1. I just go to 1. So fun. So next one is you roll it all the way there. Whoa, I got it. So next is this one. You roll one of those things. Woohoo! I got 1. And that is all it. So the last thing is, you know something?
Cristosh, thank you.
You're welcome to come here and subscribe my videos.
Subscribe to your videos?
Yep.
Okay.